Good morning, my name is Elise and I'm standing here in my backyard in beautiful Tobiano, BC, and I'm about to harvest my onions. Right now it is a Thursday morning, it is about 8:30 a.m. You'll be able to hear the crickets in the background and some machinery out on the golf course. Maybe we'll even see some golf carts go by and golfers come past, as it's very busy around here with golfers. This is the number 8 golf course in the world and it's absolutely stunningly beautiful. So I love coming out here in the mornings to relax, have my tea, and do my morning gardening and see the sights and hear the beautiful natural sounds in Tobiano, BC. So I will show you my onions as they are speaking to me and telling me that they are ready to harvest. At first I thought that the wind had just blown them over because it gets exceptionally windy around here, so I thought they were just knocked down, but they have been in the ground for quite a long time. I planted them just as the last frost was occurring, so they've been in the ground several months now. They're very big. I've already eaten a couple of them just to test them out and they're absolutely delicious. So I'll turn the camera around here and show you exactly what they look like and how I know that they're ready, because they've completely flopped over. Here is the onion bed. All of these onions have flopped over, which is telling me that they're ready to be pulled. And if I take a closer look here, you can see that the bulbs are quite large. This one here is several inches wide, probably 3 inches wide. And you can see the other ones there. They're all kind of popping out of the surface here, and they look big and healthy and delicious. So when I harvest these, I actually eat the green tops as well. I cut them up just like green onion and I put them in a Ziploc bag and I freeze them, and then I can use them in pasta sauce or in basically any recipe you'd normally use green onion or chives. I use these green tops so that they don't go to waste. I'll also use them in soups, and then of course these onions will be stored because I have so many of them and we're just a family of 3. I'll give some to my parents as well, but yeah, this is a lot of onion just for us. This is an 8 by 4 foot bed completely full of onions. Down at the end here I do have some Swiss chard and chives as well, and marigolds are in there too. So I'm gonna dig all of these up. They should come out very easily. I'll actually show you right here. So here's the first one. Just wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. And look at that. Wow, that is absolutely amazing. That's huge. And you know, the price of food is going up so much. Buying this at the grocery store would be at least, you know, $2 for something organic like this. So I have a lot here. It's going to save me a lot of money. There's another one, beautiful. So I'm going to keep going with this. I'm going to pull all these up. I'll just prop up the camera here so you can see what I'm doing as I go. And then we'll see how many pounds of onions I harvest. And here's a gorgeous view of Tobiano Golf Course and the mountains in the background. And also in the distance you can see Kamloops Lake. This is an absolutely insane amount of onions. They are overflowing out of this wheelbarrow. Wow. This is the first time I have ever grown onions. And wow, that is gonna last me an entire year. So you'll see now this vegetable bed is almost completely empty. There's just chives, Swiss chard, and some marigolds left, and some weeds. So I'm gonna go in and clean out the weeds, and then I'll add in some flower seeds because it's only just the beginning of July. So I think that I can add in some seeds and still get some flowers near the very end of summer into the beginning of fall. So I'll try that out. In the meantime, I have to dry these out a bit, clean them, and store them. I cannot believe how many onions I grew and harvested. Wow, look at that. That is unbelievable. I am so excited. I'm gonna make onion soup. I'm gonna put it in salads. I'm gonna fry it, put in eggs, everything. I can't wait to use this. That has to be, you know, the wheelbarrow probably has 20 pounds of onions in there, just out of one 8x4 plot in my own vegetable garden here in Tobiano, BC. Wow, I am so excited about that. So thank you for watching me and coming along with me while I harvested these amazing onions. Wow. I just said I thought this was 20 pounds. That's completely wrong. I just went to go lift it up. It's definitely more. That has to be 40 pounds of onions. It's unbelievable. It's completely full and heavy with all the tops on it still. That is a lot. And I should mention the smell coming off of this is unbelievable. It smells so good. I cannot wait to eat these. So have a great day and happy gardening. Bye from Tobiano. Wow, check this out. Here they all are laid out in the sun on my driveway. These ones are all smaller, so I've set them aside because I'm gonna eat those pretty much right away and treat them more like a scallion. And these ones I'm leaving to dry out, and we'll also pick away at them to eat as time goes on. And then the bigger ones that dry out nicely, those will be stored and put into the garage for several more weeks to fully dry out. Right now they're going to sit here all afternoon drying in the heat. It's super dry here. Our climate is semi-arid, so they're going to dry out very nicely in our driveway. And then, like I said, I'll transfer them into the garage to continue drying, and I'll be eating them. And then after they're fully dry in a couple of weeks, then they'll go down into a storage room inside my house. This is my daughter and husband going past golfing. 4th hole on Tobiano Golf Course on a beautiful morning. Thursday morning. Very sunny with a light breeze. Sometimes it does get quite windy around here, but right now it's a very light breeze. They're heading up to the green there.